Hey guys, this is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'll be unboxing one of my favorite branded Bluetooth headphones. Now this here is the TAG Q6 Plus sports headphones. And you guys know that I am a huge fan of wireless headphones because my first ever video on YouTube was the TAG Inferno, which I did on 2016, and it remains one of my favorite videos ever because that was my first ever video on the HTC One Me, I guess. Anyways, regardless of that, today I'm gonna unbox my brand new headphone TAG Q6 Plus, and I'm so excited to unbox this one. Other reason for getting this one is because I couldn't get my hands on the Bullets Wireless or OnePlus, and they do come out with a very limited stock and it just finishes up like that, and that is the reason I'm just not I just couldn't get my hands on that. So anyways, let's start the unboxing. So I am so excited to unbox this right now. I have it over here, and just to freshen up your memories, I previously had the TAG T07 with me, and this came in handy when I was traveling outside, and it was really good, but then again it didn't last me long, so I just threw it away. Another thing that I had was the TAG Inferno. Now this is one of my best headphones ever I have ever owned. It lasted me for 1 year and I kind of destroyed it myself actually. I went swimming and there it just, I just forgot to take that out and it just got submerged fully underwater for say 1 hour or so. So that was the reason it got broken, and I'm just not, I was sad at that moment of time, but then again I got the TAG T07, so that was it. So these here are the family of TAG headphones that I own. So I'm in love with this one and I use this for, as I said. But now let's unbox this one and see what's there in the box. Edit. Talking about the box, this really, it looks premium. I'm so excited to unbox this now. So here we have the first reveal. Damn. So here we get some pamphlets, if you guys can see that. Happy and what is this? Register. Okay, so I'm not gonna register the product. I might register the product later on. But this here is the register card, and this here is the happy card. Oh, there's also not happy. Yeah, I wasn't happy with the TAG T07, so that is something. Anyways, then we have the pouch, the much awaited pouch. I am in love with these pouches actually. They come really handy because when we travel, especially me, I travel a lot. You guys have seen that I went to Sikkim, I took this pouch with me so that my headphones doesn't get lost or anything. So this was really one of the handiest things ever. I even took money in there, and this is just so rugged. You guys can see that I'm throwing this on the table and it just looks really rugged. But I do love this small form factor because this just looks amazing and it's squishy at the same time and it's easier to carry. So let's see what's inside there. You guys already know. I do hope that the TAG Q6 Plus comes with the Bullets Wireless form factor, but still one can never be so sure. So just opening this up. So here we have the earphones. I guess you can call it as earphones, the buds. This looks really premium. Let me just zoom this up so that you guys can see that. Look at this, you guys. It's really premium. It looks really good. I am awestruck. I think this has magnets in them. So let me just do this. So I guess these have magnets in them. It looks really awesome. The earbuds look comfy. I hope that they will be good. And I think it will be good. Actually, it will be good. So now let's see how the bass is and how it really feels like. I just hooked it up to the OnePlus 6T and I'm gonna hear for the first time how it feels to put this kind of buds, magnetic buds inside. Now this is kind of a very snug fit actually. Okay, so the wire isn't that long, but I'm okay with that. Okay. Whoa. The sound. Okay. For inquirers, for people who wants to know what I'm listening to right now, I'm listening to Cheese Badi Hai Mast Mast. Okay. The only thing, oh shit, I was shouting. I'm so sorry for that. I think I'm shouting. Anyways, the only thing that I like about this headphone is that it's really small and it's really snug to my ear. It fits perfectly, and this is something which I'll get hooked on. Look at this, you guys. I love doing this. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. Of course, I do hope that this will last me about a year or so, but then again, I don't know, maybe not. So I do love doing this one. So I might get my hands on the Bullets Wireless pretty soon, but I'm not sure because I already got this, and I'm a middle class family guy, so you know, I don't have that much money, but this costed me around 3,500 rupees, so that has, you know, it's really costly, it's really pricey. So thank you guys for watching, of course, and regarding the other questions that you guys had on the Instagram channel, that what are you doing with your life, why haven't you been posting any videos, so many comments. I was kind of busy these days. You guys don't know this, but I have a huge occasion coming up. I will be doing my, you know, I might go bald for a couple of months, but yeah, it's really hard to explain, but I'll try my best to explain it in Facebook as well. So regarding everything else, it's set. I am happy, and this here is kind of a, so this looks funny. And guys, guess what just came today? This is the Google Pixel 3 XL, which I'll be giving out. I'm so happy, and I just can't wait to open this up. So you guys better subscribe to my channel, and of course follow me on Instagram and social media. And of course, you guys, please, oh please, do not forget to share and comment down below what do you like about the Tag headphones as well as the Pixel phones and anything else. You guys can ask me any kind of questions in the comments below. I remain very affluent. I have no other work. I basically just do nothing at home. I just basically browse the internet and reply to my comments. This will be a very short period giveaway because I cannot do the giveaway until and unless I reach 1,000 subscribers. So that is the goal over there. So thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that you guys liked it. And regarding the OnePlus 6T winner, I have just texted him and I'm just waiting for his reply right now. And another question I will have for you guys is, would you prefer wireless headphones or would you go for wired headphones? Just comment down below so that I know your answers. And this is Manjeet here, and peace out.